Could you provide us with the report of what are the assessed damages, what are the effects, etc.?
Yes, sir. For our damage, initially, sir, for the casualties, we already recorded 37 deaths and 456 injured, with 4 still missing. And likewise, sir, there are 19 roads that are not passable, 9 bridges also, and 1 seaport and 1 airport. Likewise, there are 1,889 total damaged houses, with 47 total infrastructure damage. With regards to class suspensions, there were class suspensions in 4 regions. And further, sir, with regards to our search, retrieval, and rescue teams, we have deployed around 210 SSR personnel who conducted rescue and retrieval operations. And there are still on standby. And for the current operations, sir, we still are conducting retrieval operations in Jensan for 2 suspected victims, and also here in Sarangani town, here in Balut Island, sir. So there are also 4 here in Sarangani town, sir.
How about our evacuation centers? Yung mga designated evacuation center, nagagamit ba lahat o may nasira din?
So far, sir, there's no report of any evacuation centers that were damaged, except that other evacuation centers are not being used due to the frequent aftershock, sir.
All right. So all of these 44 evacuation centers are in use.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Okay. What is the number of casualties? Because I just heard from Secretary Ted Herbosa that it's 19. I have here in your notes 37 patay.
Yes, sir. We just got an update from Glan Sarangani, which accounted for additional casualties. So it increased into, for Region 12, it increased to 33, while we recorded 4 casualties in Davao Occidental, sir.
All right. So that is your latest number is 37 dead and 487 injured.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's the latest, sir, as of this update this morning, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Yusek Cabres, for that report.